I am Ajay, and today's video topic is operator in Java. So today I will tell you about what is operator in Java and how many types of operator are in Java. So what is their function and their uses. So firstly is a operator. So basically operator is a symbol which is used to perform operations according to user requirement. So it is used in between variable and values. For example, plus is an operator use addition, means in that case we take example of a plus b. In that case plus is operator that can use the addition of the a and b. And next is into. So also into is a operator used to multiplication of also to variable, means we take example of a into b. So in that case into is the operator and use of the symbol is the multiplication of the a and b. So also one example is the boolean or operator used to work with a true and false value. And also boolean is also show the means used to the true or false value. So there are different types of operator. First one is arithmetic operator. It is used to perform mathematical calculation. There are 5 types of arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction. So for example a plus b. So there is a and b is a numerical value and plus is a arithmetic operator. We are doing the addition function. So arithmetic operator can use to add the a and b value. And next is a subtraction, used to subtract the value a and b. So next is a multiplication, can use for the multiply the a and b. And coming to the next type of the operator is a relational operator. So in a relational operator can be used for doing comparison and equalization values between two variable. For example of a and b are two values are there. So is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So relational operator used for comparison of both values a and b. Use greater than operator used to perform a is less than b. So there are different types of relational operator. First one is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and last one is equal to. So next coming to the next topic is a logical operator. So logical operator used to check whether the condition are true or false. There are 3 types. First one is and logical operator. Second one is or logical operator, and third one is not equal to logical not. So and logical operator. If both sentences are true, only then we will use for and logical operator. And second one is or logical operator. When you use if first sentence is true or second sentence is true, in that time we are use or logical operator. And next one is a logical not. So if sentence is false, then we use a logical not operator. For example, equilateral triangle for and operator, isolation triangle and scalene triangle. So next operator is increment operator. So in increment 3 type of operator: increment, pre-increment and post-increment. It means the increment operator increase value by 1 using a plus, and decrement means decrease the value using a minus symbol, and that can less the -1 value. For example, I is greater than is equal to 10. If I is equal to 0 and I is less than 10, we have to increase the value of 1 by I by 1. So we use I plus. then value of I is increased by value 1 at d is equal to 10. So next is assignment operator. Assignment operator used to assign the value, and so thank you.